Is your ON remote acting up? Lights on, but nothing works? Don't worry, we have got the fix. Let's bring your remote back to life in minutes. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your trusted space for smart tech fixes and quick tutorials. Today we are showing what to do when the remote stops responding but the LED light stays on. Let's walk through the steps to reset, repair, and restore full control. Method 1. Power cycle the ON device. Start by unpairing the remote with a quick power reset. Unplug the ON device from its power source, wait 5 to 7 seconds, plug it back in and let it reboot. Once the home screen appears, you are ready to reinitiate pairing. Method 2. Unpair and repair the remote. The next thing you should do is unpair and repair the remote with your TV or monitor. To unpair on your ON or Google TV, go to Settings, then select Remotes and Accessories. Next, select your remote and choose Forget. To repair the remote, put the remote in pairing mode. Press and hold the home and back button simultaneously on the remote until the LED light on the remote begins to flash, signaling it's in pairing mode. When both the box and remote are in pairing mode, they should connect. Looking for a pairing successful message on your TV or monitor. Release the buttons, the remote is now reset and in pairing mode. Method 3. Check the batteries. Replace the batteries with fresh, high-quality batteries. Ensure correct polarity alignment. Avoid mixing old and new batteries, this can cause inconsistent performance. Method 4. Remove obstructions. Clear the space between your ON device and TV. Avoid placing soundbars, decorations, or thick furniture near the IR receiver. This helps both Bluetooth and IR signals reach the device without interference. Method 5. Update ON firmware. Go to Settings, then select All Settings, then System, then About, then System Update. Download and install any available updates. Restart the ON device and test the remote again. And that's it. Your ON remote should be working like new. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more tech fixes and smart tutorials. Still stuck or have a tip to share? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next one.